Greetings from Team Sigma 9692. Welcome to our course on joystick controls. Across this presentation, we will explore the four main phases: installation, software, code, and testing. Over this presentation, you will learn how to code basic robot movements and how to implement them on the controller joystick. First, we learn how to install WpiLib, which was depicted in our installation guide video. Next, comes the software part where we create the teleop code we are working on. Primarily we will open the WpiLib menu on Xcode and then click Create a New Project, which will open the WpiLib New Project Creator. Proceed to fill out the settings as per your team. There are four main options for templates, which are Command Robot Skeleton, Time Robot, and Time Skeleton. For this tutorial, we will be using Command Robot Skeleton. These are the settings used by our team for the same. Using the Max Swerve Java template by Rev Robotics on GitHub, we can see Max Swerve drive divided into multiple subsystems. Now to implement it in the code. Primarily, initialize the controller you are using. Here are examples for a joystick, an Xbox controller, and a PS4 controller. Generic HID is a tool that allows anyone to create their own USB HID device. HID is an acronym for Human Interface Device. It is a very general specification that specifies how input and output controls should be configured so any computer can read them. This is how to make the joystick a generic HID. This is the code of how to use the joystick buttons. This is how to toggle a specific command using a joystick. This is the code for driving with joysticks in a new command. The 0.06 here represents the deadband, to prevent against minor stick drift. This is the code of how to add any other commands on a joystick controller. This is how to use a joystick for anything but driving. We can now test this code using the FRC driver station with the joystick buttons we just programmed. Thank you for your time from Team Sigma 9692, and please make sure to follow us on Instagram for more such informative content.